A person standing on a railway platform noticed that a train took 21 seconds to completely pass through the platform, which was 84 meters long, and took 9 seconds in passing him. Find the speed of the train in kilometers per hour. Length of the platform 84. Divided by the difference between the time 21 minus 9, that is equal to 84 divided by 12. 84 by 12 is equal to 7 meters per second. We need the answer in kilometer per hour. Therefore, 7 into 18 by 5. 7 into 18. 7 into 10, 70. 8 into 7, 56. That is equal to 126 divided by 5 kilometer per hour.